Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. This is Mrs. Strader. I hope you all had a great weekend. Today we're going to revisit our how-to writings. Remember, a how-to is something that we can teach others. How can you choose what to write about for your how-to? Well, you brainstorm. First, you should brainstorm things that you know how to do that you could teach others. Here's our list of topics that you could pick from. There might be some topics that are not on this list that you know how to do. It's okay if you pick something else that's not on this list. I'm going to show you a graphic organizer in just a minute to help me brainstorm my topic ideas. So first I want to think, let's see, what do I know how to do? Do I know how to fly a plane? I may enjoy flying on planes and I love to travel, but I don't know how to tell you or teach somebody how to fly a plane because I have never flown a plane myself. So even though that's interesting, that's not a good topic for me to pick. So let's go over to the next part where I made a little graphic organizer of things that I do know how to do and I could teach others. The first is growing a plant. So I could write about that. That's a good idea. So I put that on my list of things that I know how to do. I know how to wash my dog, I know how to make a pizza, and I know how to wash my hands. Washing my hands and you all have been washing your hands quite a bit. We all have been doing that a lot lately. So I think I might do my how-to about that today. All right, so the next step that we're going to do is when we write a how-to, we have to start with the word first. So that's our transition word, first. So I'm going to show you the steps. First, you turn on the water. That we are always going to start with the word first, or if you would rather write a number 1 and then put the word first, that is going to be your first sentence that we're going to write today. Another thing that some of you have been learning about is adding a tip, and so that's something that's helpful to the reader so they know what to do. So my tip today says, make sure the water is warm. Remember, when you're writing, you always start with your sentence with a capital letter and end with punctuation. Then you can go ahead and illustrate your step 1 today of your how-to. Now I have this piece of paper that I happen to bring home, but it's okay to use a regular piece of paper and write the transition word first and then pick your topic. Okay, so what I did is I have Mrs. Strader and I wrote the date at the top and I put how to wash your hands. Now I listed some of my materials and items that I need, for example, a water, soap, and towel. You can do that if you would like, but we really want you to start your first transition word today. First, you turn on the water. And if you'd like to add a tip, make sure the water is warm. That is good too. But are you going to pick how to wash your hands? That's just the sample. I want you to pick something else that you know how to do. Okay? Your teachers and I are looking forward to seeing all of your how-tos. So have a great day.